Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove friends on Snapchat. Whether you want to clean up your friend list or just need a bit of privacy, this will only take a minute. So let's jump right in. First, open the Snapchat app and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on that chat icon at the bottom or swipe right from the camera screen to open your chat list. Now find the friend you want to remove. Once you see their name, press and hold on it until a menu pops up. From that menu, tap on Manage Friendship. Then you will see the option to remove friend. Tap on it and Snapchat will ask you to confirm. Just hit remove again and that's it. The friend won't be notified that you removed them, but they will no longer be able to see your private stories or send you snaps, unless your privacy settings allow it. And there you go. Nice and simple, right? Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.